Hey, this is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks, and I'm sitting in the solo central seating position in the Advanced Frame Convertible Elite Kayak, and I've got these beautiful adjustable foot pegs here to give me some foot support. If you don't have these, there is no foot support in that central position. Now, these are a really simple installation. Before you inflate the kayak, you slide the clips around and you clip it on. Make sure you have the clips on top though. I put them on underneath and then couldn't easily tighten it. So you put them on, make sure they're nice and loose, then you inflate the kayak and then you come back and tighten them in the position you want. Now in this spot, they're a little too long for me. I've got my knees locked out. That's not really how I like to roll. So they've got this really easy adjustment mechanism. You just squeeze, pull, and they go into the next slot. And now I can have my legs bent and my feet there, and that's how I like it. So the beauty of foot support is as you rotate through the core, you can be pushing on this side, and you're really supported in your lower back and you're using your whole body in the paddling motion. The adjustable foot pegs are obviously compatible with the Advanced Frame Convertible Elite in the solo central position. They're actually compatible in the rear position as well, but they're not compatible at the front of the kayak. The deck lifts are in the way and the front angles forwards a little bit too much. You can also use them in the Advanced Frame Expedition Elite, but be aware that the Expedition Elite comes with an adjustable foot brace already, so you might want to test that out first. So you can use the adjustable foot pegs with the shorter Advanced Frame kayaks like the Advanced Frame Elite, the Advanced Frame Sport Elite, but just be aware that you have to be a very short person because because of the curvature of the tubes, you can't get the foot pegs really any further forwards than this. I'm about 5'5" and I got the seat all the way back in the cockpit here, and I have quite short legs and this is working for me, but if you were any taller it wouldn't work. The second thing to notice is that I had to put the straps over the deck lift, so you cannot use the deck lifts if you're going to use the adjustable foot pegs on the Advanced Frame Elite or the Advanced Frame Sport Elite. A better alternative for the shorter kayaks is the inflatable foot brace, which just sits at the front here and gives you some deck lift, and then you move the seat forwards or backwards for your feet to comfortably meet that foot brace. If you like a bit of foot support when you're paddling and you have any questions about the adjustable foot pegs from Advanced Elements, please get in touch. This is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks.